Hey guys, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background in Canva from any design, any photo. So first of all, I'm going on here, then type anything here. So I type, oh, this look like very good. Then I select any person, example of this one. So first of all, okay, that's good. Just click on edit image. Then you need to select on background remover. Just click on here. Must you have a education license or paid, otherwise you are not able to do this work perfectly. So this is a method you can remove background from any photo. I'm going on another one. Okay, this one. Again click on background remove. Wow, this is really good. So this is the method you can remove background from any photo in canva.com. so if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.